Got a cold? No need for meds. In this video, I'll reveal the fastest natural remedies to help you recover quickly and feel your best again. Which natural ingredient is most effective for soothing a cough? What type of tea is best for relieving a cough? Which spice mixed with honey is a great home remedy for cough relief? What is the best way to use steam for cough relief? Which fruit juice can help soothe a cough? What is the best sleeping position to reduce nighttime coughing? Gargling with which ingredient helps relieve a sore throat and cough?